Smart sirens aren't just a part of your home's security system, but also a part of your home's safety system. Z-Wave sirens can be used with Z-Wave sensors to sound if water, smoke, tampering, or motion is detected. To sum up, in the event of emergency or anything you need to be notified of, these devices come handy. The Philio pse02 is a loud multi-sound siren, allowing you to program alerts for any event that occurs in your network. I mean in your Z-Wave smart home. It can have backup battery, which ensures fully functions of your siren when the power supply is cut off, and it will be recharged automatically when the power supply restored. Stay with me to unbox this device. This is pse02. Let's unbox it. In the box there is siren, wire, power supply, and a manual. This device has a DC jack to receive power from a 5 VDC power supply, which a power supply is in the box. In addition to a wire to connect it to power supply. This is the siren. It has a back cover. This is used for mounting it. There are one tamper key. This is tamper key, and a circle button. Both of them can be used to add, remove, reset, or associate the device. This is the DC jack. For the first time powering on the device, it will auto start NWI mode, which means network-wide inclusion. So if your gateway is in learning mode, as soon as you power on pse02, it will auto start network-wide inclusion and should be included to the gateway in 5 seconds. If inclusion is successful, LED light, which is located here, light on 1 second. When the device is into network-wide inclusion mode, it is not functional. The network-wide inclusion mode will time out after 3 minutes by pressing the tamper key or circle button once. Network-wide inclusion is aborted. Pay attention that when the device is not added to any Z-Wave network, if you power it on, it goes to NWI mode. This is the tamper key, as I told you. If it is pressed over 5 seconds, alarm state is activated. After that, if this key is tampered, siren goes off. For manually shutting down the device, you should press and hold circle button, then pressing tamper key 3 times in 1.5 seconds. After that, circle button must be released. By doing this, device is shut down. This device supports backup battery. Backup battery must be installed here. For installing the battery, front cover must be removed. But the battery must be inserted here. And this is its antenna. By inserting the back cover, tamper key is pressed, and after 5 seconds, if it is added to Z-Wave network and powered on, the device goes to alarm state. For including the siren to Z-Wave network, after 3 minutes, or let's say if NWI mode is finished, by pressing the tamper key 3 times within 1.5 seconds, the device goes to inclusion mode. Removing the device is similar to inclusion. I hope you have enjoyed this video. Goodbye.